So here we're on the blog page, and what I want to show you how to do in this video is how to go ahead and post here to the blog. So I'm going to come in here to the dashboard, and down here is where we find the pages, but for the blog posts we want to come up to posts. I'm going to go ahead and click on posts. You can either click on posts or all posts, either one, it'll take you to the same place. And you see here we've got how to photograph coins, which is what we've got out here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a new blog post. And so to do that, there's a couple of ways I can do that. I can come over here and click on Add New. I can come over here and click on this particular button right here, or I can click on this drop-down menu and click on Post right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Add New right here. And then I'm just going to give this a name of Test Blog Post. Then I'll go ahead and get some content over here. Copy that. Go ahead and use Control and V. Paste my content in there. Now over here on categories, maybe this blog post is for a new category. Perhaps this is photo editing. So I'm going to go ahead and put photo editing here to go ahead and add a new category. Click Add New Category. It will automatically add that new category in there. If I didn't want to do that, if I just wanted photography, I could have just clicked photography. And then down here, tags. Tags help search engines to go ahead and index your blog post. So maybe I would put down here, if this had to do with Photoshop editing, I would put Photoshop editing. And then I would go ahead and click Add. Then the last thing that I want to do is go ahead and add a featured image. So I put in my title. I've got my content in there. Title, content. I went ahead and put a category here, given it a tag, and you can add multiple tags if you want to. You don't just have to add one tag, but I'm just going to go ahead and add one tag there for an example. And then I'll come over here and click on Set Featured Image. Now, I could select a featured image that I've already uploaded here in our media library, or I can come over here to Upload Files, and I can just drag and drop, minimize that, right from my computer here. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop an image that we have there. Alright, go ahead and set that featured image, and now I'm just going to go ahead and come up here and click Publish. Alright, so now we come back out here to our photography blog and we refresh the page. You'll see now we have our test blog post, and it's showing that it was here in photo editing. It's got my name in there. Quick thing over here I wanted to show you. You will come up as Rip City Photography, but down here, let's see, where is it at? There are a lot of selections down here. You can leave all of them default, but you may need to change the author. And if you do, you can come over here, right here, to where it says author, right under the SEO box. Change that over here to Rip City Photography. Now that'll go ahead and take our name out of the equation and go ahead and place Rip City Photography in there. I'm going to go ahead and refresh that. Okay. So now we've got everything like we want it. We've got it in, it shows it's in the category of photo editing, Rip City Photography, and people can come over here. We've got our image shows up right here. People can come over here, and now we've got our image up here at the top, which is what they'll see first, and as they scroll down, they'll see the content for our blog, and they will have tags will show up right there, and then they're able to share or also print this blog post if they want to. And then down here is where people can go ahead and leave comments. So I don't actually want this blog post there, so I'm going to go ahead and come in here, come over to All Posts, and now what I'm going to do is click Trash, and that's going to go ahead and send that to the trash. Now, I've sent this to the trash, but it's not actually gone. As we'll see out here, now when I refresh, you'll see that this is now gone. But if I come over here to trash, if I've accidentally trashed this, I can come over here to trash, and I can actually come over here and restore this if I want to, or I can delete it permanently, or if I have a bunch of items in my trash over here, I can come over to this button right over here and empty the trash. Now once I do that, now this blog post that we created is now actually gone. It's not in the system anywhere. It's been deleted from the database. So it's no longer there. We go back and we can see now we just have how to photograph coins. If we come out here and refresh the page, we'll see right here we have our how to photograph coins, which is just what we want. Perfect. So that is how you post blog posts here to the system. It's just under posts, and you remember you can click on add new here, or in the new drop down menu on the admin bar. Either way to go ahead and create a new blog post. So that's a quick overview of posting to WordPress. If you have any other questions, just let us know. Thanks.